Hey everyone, we are at State at Augsburg Ice Arena for the Corec A championship game. We've got Blizzard in the white versus Squall in the black. Squall advanced directly to the championship due to the seeding, and Blizzard, I think, had to beat somebody, but I'm not sure who they beat actually in the semifinal. But they are here. Looks like they've got Amber Kuhn in net for goalie, which is awesome. She also played with Flying Beavers, I believe, in the men's B division, or C, I'm not sure, from Rochester. I think they might have been in a final earlier today, but I'm not sure. I don't know anything confidently. And I might struggle with some of the Blizzard players' names, but it looks like we've got Sarah Cheney, Jake Stein, shoot, I forget the other one's name, Tebow, and Allison out starting for Blizzard. For Squall, we've got Zoba with the ball right now. Goes around Allison, but nice back check by Allison to stay in the play. Tebow gets the ball away from Zoba, but then Zoba gets it right back. There's a real nice battle here. And Scotty's going to be the first one on the ball. Passes it wide to Sheila. Guy's running middle now. And then Taylor is also out there. That's the starters. Now Ellen comes out on the ice, and she's going to stop Stein from just carrying that ball out. Got Zoba battling. Zoba's just going to battle all the way around. Oh, I got to make sure I'm paying attention here. Taylor's going to get that and pass it up to Scotty. Scotty's got Ellen wide, but goes for Simon. Simon goes up to Ellen. I think Twigs was running on. Almost picked that off. Got some change going here. Try back over to Ellen, who passes it down to Ty. He's gonna fake shot. He's got a white helmet with white cage, which is an interesting look, and his white shoes. He needs to go full white outfit. Nice defensive play by Try to Ty. I think his name is Sam. Sam peppering. Oh, two Sams. 33 is going to be Twigs for reference. Ellen with the ball. Nice play to evade Twigs. Over to Ty, who hits it up to Try, who's got Hugh running middle, and Simon streaking back door. Nice ball in the air. Tough to handle, and then Simon hits it up into the net, but it doesn't stay in. Shelly comes in with a nice little one-timer blocked. Try hits that up. Shelly's trying to get there first, but Knut gets there. And now we've got Twigs with an opportunity on Megan in net. Oh, Megan. I didn't mention Megan. Megan in net for Squall. Everyone knows that. All right, so we're going to have a face-off in the Squall end. The center for Blizzard has the same kind of helmet that Ty was wearing, with the white helmet and white cage. Blizzard with the ball, dancing around on the boards, passes it back to Laura, I believe. Ooh, and a good opportunity, but Megan says, Tito with some fancy moves. All right. Squall wins a face-off. Scotty hits it up. Allison's there, but can't quite handle it. But now Tebow hits it low. It's number 99, who flips it in. And he's going to be the first one there. He's got 24 in the slot. Tries to feed it through, but doesn't quite make it. Oh, it takes the ball away. Oh, man, some good chances there. Passes it up to Allison. Allison over to 24 into the slot, but 99 can't quite get that. Gets it toward the net. Scotty's going to take it behind the net. He's got Biz running. Oh, little battle there. Nick and the Blizzy. Not a lot of help getting some changes. Laura going against Kyle there behind the net. But Kyle comes out with it. Kyle passes it back to Scotty. This is some good sustained pressure Blizzard has had here in this end. Laura pressing Scotty. He's going to run around the net. He's got Guy going far side, but decides to go near side to Zoba. Sheila was there too. Zoba just wristing it on. Guy's going to take a shot. Beautiful shot. I think that might be Matt Stein. Oh, with a risky pass over. Trying to hit his brother, but Taylor hits it. Now, I think Mariah might have it. Zoba, always dangerous with his wrister, and he does a backhand scoop up into the net. What a goal. Not much anybody can do on that. So Squall goes up 1-0. 11 minutes in the first half of this Corec A championship. I personally prefer the way the Canadians talk about Corec broomball. They call it mixed. And for some reason, I like that better. I think in the U.S. we should start calling it mixed. All right, Tebow running it up. He's got Twigs middle and Hannah far side. Passes to Hannah. Hannah's got Guy all over her. Her husband Canute comes in to help. Guy passes it back. Megan hits it further around over to Try. Guy is open far side. Sheila with the ball. Little mishandle, and Hannah picks up the ball. She's got Canute, who passes it over to Twigs, who, if he could have one-timed it, would have had a great opportunity. Guy takes the ball away, but he's surrounded by Blizzies. Oh, nice rip by Twigs. And then Twigs just endless motor there. Just doesn't have an off switch. Passes it far side to Canute. Canute, oh, with a nice shot. Hannah's the first one there. Guy battling her. Oh, man. So we've got Hannah and her husband Canute and Canute's brother Twigs all out on the ice right now, which is pretty cool. A whole family affair. Now we've got Matt Stein. Is Jake Stein, his brother, going to join him? Matt's going to be the first one with the ball. Pressured by Taylor. Passes over to Allison. Somebody's calling for the ball, but I think that was a little too far of a pass to make. Ellen pressing Allison. Takes the ball away. Or hits it to Simon. Hugh running to the net. Simon passes up to Ty. Ty's going to rip it in, but 99 blocks that. He'll be icing that later. Scotty takes a backhand. Hits a couple feet. Matt Stein comes up with the ball. Ooh, nice little play by 24 here. 24 going to take a shot. Megan hits that up. Tries to pass it over to Simon. Just took some weird bounces there. Scotty with the ball. Scotty hits it up to Hugh, who can't quite handle it. Ellen pressing on Mariah. Hugh trying to flip it out. A nice flip up by Ellen to clear the zone. Stein passes it back to Amber. Amber's not getting a lot of help, and she's getting a lot of pressure by Hugh. Ty comes up with the ball. Mariah pressing. Oh, nice pass to Shelly, sliding through the slot there. Laura loses her stick. Oh, nice try by Shelly. And now I think this is 24 again with the ball. Passes it up to Stein, to Jake Stein. Jake's with his wicked backhand that I think I didn't catch. But Megan with a nice save. Simon with the ball. Carrying it up. He's going to just run through the middle. Passes it over to Ty. I believe Simon just was on the Team MedX that won. I think they just won the men's A final. Somebody had told me the wrong score, who was leading it. So I'm a little confused, but I think MedX won. Ooh. Tebow and Biz just hitting each other with the ball. Nick getting after Tebow. Comes up with the ball. Sam. Man, just a real ping pong. This must be a bouncy ball. Oh, Stein with a beautiful pass back to Sarah Cheney. Sarah tries to hit it to Stein. He comes up with the ball. Passes it up to Tebow. Tebow's going to take fakes a shot. Passes it to Allison. Allison goes low to Sam. Sam's got Jake. Oh, Sheila gets a stick on it. Jake carries it around. He's got Sarah in front of the net and Sam in front of the net. Scotty takes it away. Kyle's going to be the first one there. A lot of pressure from Tebow. Ball gets sent back to Scotty. Scotty's just going to hit it up. Oh, nice hand by Tebow. But Nick's going to come up with it. A lot of pressure from Sam. Oh, nice pass middle, but just behind Kyle. Biz has the ball. Kyle's subbing off. Nice cover by Allison. Nice block by Tebow, getting low to corral that ball. Now Twigs with the ball. Ellen's going to be the first one there. Got hand on her. Passes it up to Try, who had Canute on him. Ellen comes away. She's got Zoba. And Hannah hot on her heels. Passes it up along the boards to Zoba, who's got Matt Stein all over him. Zoba passes it up to Try, just to kind of settle this down a bit. Blizzy's got a lot of speed, a lot of youth. Sheila dumps it down to Taylor, who tries to go back as Shelly was cutting middle. Amber comes out to break that up. Okay, now we got Twigs again against Try. Megan got the ball. Passes it up around to Try. Try goes far side to Zoba. Zoba passes it up over to Taylor, cutting cross ice. Oh, and I think we might have had an offsides on Squall. So we got 5 minutes left in this first half of the A chip. Squall winning 1-0 so far. We got Ty taking the face off. White helmet versus white helmet. Who will win? Who will come up victorious? Ooh, well, Blizzy white helmet won. Hugh pressing hard. Matt Stein gonna launch it. Ty jumping 5 feet in the air. I'm pretty sure my vertical is about 2 inches. Oh, nice look by 99, but Megan just bats that aside. Ty hits that around to Sheila. A lot of battling behind the net. Simon's going to get there first, but hits it up to Mariah. Now Ty's got it. Hits Simon. Simon's got Tebow on him. And Tebow's going to come away with the ball. He's got Mariah middle and 24 far side, but not a lot of help. Here comes Jake, center ice. He starts cutting, hoping Tebow will launch it. Tebow decides not to, and now does. Great pass to Jake. Little connectivity issues here. Simon's got the ball. Passes it far side to Hugh. Now Scotty takes over. He's got Sheila, but goes low to Hugh. But Tebow might beat her there. Passes it over to Mariah, who's got Ty on her, but nice pass to Tebow. Tebow tries to flip it to 24. Ty still with the ball. Zoba. Tried to say Tebow and Zoba and said Zebo. Here comes the ball. Out of play. All right. So we're going to have a face-off in the Blizzard end. Blizzard had 3 teams here this weekend, I believe. A men's A, a men's B or C, I'm not sure. And the Corec team, the men's team that isn't the A-level team, is called the Dilly Bars, which I personally think is such an amazing name. All right, Matt Stein to Twigs, over to Sam, and Blizzard's got the zone. Twigs with the ball, getting a lot of pressure from Try. Ooh, makes Try fall down. Matt Stein passes over to, Sam with a nice backhand. The Blizzard men have such a great backhand shot. Nice. Nick tries to get around Matt Stein with a couple moves, but Matt takes the ball away. Now Sam's got the ball low in the corner. Passes it over to Twigs. Twigs, whatever, I don't know. Twigs is singular. Ellen passes over to Try. Try goes back to Ellen. And Hannah really pressing hard. Ellen tries to pass to Ty. Twigs with a nice shot. Nobody there in front of the net to hit it in. Allison with a great play, getting a lot of pressure from Biz. They lose the zone but maintain possession, so it's a win. Matt Stein with a beautiful pass, just slightly out of reach of number 99. Number 99 with a rocket of a shot, went high. Hannah with the ball. She's got Tebow up high. Tebow's going to take a rip. Hits the glass behind the net. Knut comes up with it. 99 hits it back down to him. Trying to set something up. Passes it to 99. He's going to take a shot. Backhand. Shelly hits it up. And Hannah comes up with it, but Shelly takes it away. Tebow is going to hit that back down low into the corner, so Try's going to come up with it. Knut going to forecheck. Zoom out to show some of the options Try's got. Not a lot. Everybody's pretty high. Everybody's up by the blue line. Guy wandering a little lower. Zoba wandering lower. Taylor coming in. Probably just had a lot of changing. I'm looking at this tiny little screen. Try just runs it out. Must be a little bit greasy on the ice. I see a lot of people slipping. Zoba has Taylor up high. Taylor's going to take a shot. Nice block. Zoba's got the ball. Passes it to Taylor. Nice little wrister shot. Shelly flips it in the middle. Dangerous location, but nobody's there. Now Guy's got it. Passes it low to Taylor. Jake Stein really getting after it down there. Shelly jumping in to help out. Now Guy with the ball. Jake just pressing so hard. But Shelly to Taylor. Nice save by Amber. Now Knut's got it, and he's just got to get that out right now. Oh, and a beautiful pass to Jake. Jake cuts middle. Backhand. Guy's got the ball. He's getting a lot of pressure. Beautiful pass from Guy to Zoba. Zoba getting a lot of pressure from Jake. Time was running out. I was like, what is Zoba doing? Yeah, there was no time left on the clock. So that is the end of the first half. Squall is up 1-0 over Blizzard, but Blizzard's had plenty of zone time. They just got to get a ball in the back of the net, and they've got some people that can do it. I've got my Aunt Sherry here, the goalie of Squall, Megan's mom. Sherry, what's your favorite Blizzard flavor?
I don't have one.
You don't have one? The last time I commentated with somebody else, and it was a Blizzard game, I asked them what their favorite Blizzard flavor was, and they said they'd never had one. Right? They lied, you think?
Trying to be,
oh, yeah, too cool. Oh, diplomatic.
not to offend the Blizzard.
Well, actually, I'm pretty sure he got a free Blizzard from the Blizzard team to be like, go try one. So, I wouldn't turn down a free Blizzard. I like the seasonal ones. Like, we went to Dairy Queen recently, yeah, and I got the mint Oreo cookie or something. Oh, truffle lovers? Okay.
Inhabited.
Wait, are we advertising for Dairy Queen right now? Oh, hard. Oh, Tebow's trying to say that Simon tipped it. But the refs aren't buying it. And I wasn't paying attention, so I don't know. Even if I was paying attention, I'm watching it on this tiny screen. I don't know what's happening. All right. Ooh, white helmet versus white helmet again. I think Ty won that one. Hugh comes up with the ball, hits it over to... We just got a lot of... Oh, Amber just picks that one up. She's like, we're done batting this around in the crease. All right, so we're going to get another face-off. Redo, white versus white helmets. Blizzy wins this one. Tebow's going to run behind the net. He's just going to launch it. Oh, great pass to 99, but Scotty picks it off. Sheila running it in, passes it over to Hugh, who passes it to Scotty. Scotty to Ty. Ty takes a shot. I don't know if that went off Tebow or not. Sheila with the ball. She tries to pass wide to Ty. Tebow picks it off. A couple of quick passes by Blizzard, and they got a breakout going. 24 is going to keep possession. Impressive breakout there. .99 goes up to Stein. Hits it. Oh, beautiful. Had Laura back door. She passes it up to Mariah, I believe. Mariah goes up to Matt. Matt's got 99 wide, but he's kind of covered, so he shoots it in. 24 had a chance at it, but Scotty comes up with the ball. A lot of Squall players subbing off. He's got Ellen over here. Goes Nick. Nick gets zone and passes it up to Kyle, and Kyle passes it out of the zone over to Biz. Biz passes it to Ellen, and Ellen's going to carry it in. She passes it far side to Nick. Bouncing ball goes out of play. We'll see if we get a less bouncy one in here. What's your favorite Squall? Just kidding. Although actually, a couple of winter fans right here, right? You like winter. I like winter. I feel like either most people don't like winter or they're just really vocal about not liking winter. Ellen told me that, I forget what she said initially. She said something like, by the time she's, I forget what she said, like 70, she doesn't want to be here for winters anymore. And I was like, okay, that's plenty far away. Or maybe she said a different number. I don't remember. And then she was like, oh yeah, that's too far. Ooh, nice play by Sam. Jake with what looks like a high stick, but I'm not a ref. Oh, beautiful pass from Stein to Sam. Megan comes out pretty far to, you know what?
I said I'm a bad ref, and that was a high stick.
Oh. All right, Kyle, loses the ball. Matt Stein's going to come up with it. He's just going to flip it in and try to chase that down himself, and he is going to be the first one there. I guess, I'm curious. Squall looks a little more tired, and I suppose they've also got Try, who just played the A-Men's Championship. All the women on Squall were in the Women's A Championship right before that. They have the lead, so they're obviously doing just fine, but Blizzard definitely has the hustle here. Try takes it behind the net. Sam threatening to pressure around the side. Sarah keeping an eye on Sheila. Goes over to Taylor. Taylor's going to hit it around Mariah. Mariah does a great. Oh, whoops. Well, did they just call a penalty? They did call a penalty. Oh, they called it on Taylor? I don't know, I guess. I was gonna say that was a great play by Mariah, getting in Taylor's way, and then I thought the penalty was going to be interference on Mariah. I'm not a ref again, so. But Blizzard goes on the power play here. Okay. So for the power play, we've got number 99. We got Tebow, Twigs, Hannah, and Allison. And on the penalty kill, we've got Scotty, Ty, Sheila applying a lot of pressure, and Try. Oh, both of the Squall men deer. Oh, wow. Wow. Okay. Quite the turn of events here. Number 99 with a beautiful shot, top corner. Not much Megan could have done on that. And we got a tie game. 11 and a half minutes left in the game. Scotty with the ball. We'll see if this puts a little more hustle in Blizzard or in Squall's step. I don't know. Guy going head to head against his usual men's team here. He plays with Blizzard men's A team, but playing against them here on Corec. Zoba trying to hit Guy middle. Hannah with some great defense, but Sheila's going to come up with that. Cut across. Nice shot. Tebow's just going to try to get that out of there, and unfortunately it goes out of play. So we got Zoba in the face-off circle versus Twigs. Well, Twigs with a great play, but tries just going to hit it right back around to Guy. He tries to go middle to Zoba. Gets picked off. Twigs with a lot of pressure. Oh, sorry. Bodies everywhere. Tries going to go in and just take a shot. Taylor's there back, or not back door, I don't know. In front of the net, on the side, whatever you want to call it. Passes up to Zoba. Twigs just falling everywhere. Or is that Twigs? Yeah, I think so. Tries to clear it out, but Ellen's going to keep that in. Ellen passes it far to Try. Try hits it over to Zoba. Zoba goes middle for Guy. Guy one times it, a little off target. Taylor tries to wrist it on, and it goes behind the net. Ellen pursuing Tebow hard, gets the ball out to Zoba. Zoba with some fancy stick handling. Ellen takes her backhand shot, goes wide. Taylor there, but Twigs comes up with it. A couple nice moves, but oh, the ref is in the way. Ellen's going to be the first one there. She's got some pep in her step. Passes it up to Try. Try cuts it in. Nice little move to evade Knut's stick. Now Allison's got the ball. She's a little nervous. Looks like with the ball right there, we're having three Squall players all around her. Ty's going to take a rip. Gets deflected up and over. Try touches it up to Shelly. Shelly's got Ty up top, but goes low to Try. Try flings it up to Simon, who's got Ty far side. Tries to hit Hugh. Hannah's just going to clear it, which is a smart play. Ty comes up with it, passes it low to Hugh, and she's not even covered, but 99 gets there. Stein passes it back up to 99. He's got 24 running. A lot of pressure. Scotty's got the ball, passes it up. Laura, oh, I thought Laura was going to be the first one there, but Simon hits the ball just right in front of her. Plays it away. Okay. Shelly's got the ball, and she's just going to slow this down. So Scotty getting a lot of pressure from Laura, but that leaves Shelly wide open. She passes it up to Simon, who's got Ty on my side. Ty going to take another shot. Oh, blocked by 24. Scotty's going to get the ball. He might just take a shot. Thinks about it. Opts not to. puts it into the middle. He was there, a lot of opportunity. Ooh, a nice little flip out by 99. Scotty with the ball, makes a couple moves. Great defensive play by Matt Stein. Hits it down. We got Mariah in the corner. Simon running in to take a shot. Miss hits it. And 99 is going to launch it up over for Matt Stein, who's going for a run, but Scotty is going to beat him there. Oh, well, beautiful stick check. Almost had it, but Scotty still comes up with the ball. Scotty doesn't have a lot of options. Biz launches it down to Sheila. Sheila gets the zone. She's got Nick, but I don't know if that pass wasn't going to happen, so she flips it in. Oh, great pass, but Laura can't quite get there. Biz is there. Passes it up to Sheila. Sheila runs it in herself. Tries to hit over to Kyle. I think this is Jake with the ball. Jake hits it around. Try, just gets a little bit on it. Biz hits it up. And now Kyle's going for it. Blizzard losing a step here. Oh, and I'm losing the play. Kyle's got Nick. Nice defensive play by Allison. Now Squall kind of's got the pep in the step. We got Biz playing back at D and Ellen playing up at forward. Tebow just going to walk it up. He's not getting any pressure, but now Ellen's going to chase him a little bit. Tries making a few moves, flips it up, and hits the ceiling. I didn't hear a whistle. Okay. The ref's having a little silent conversation about where the face-off should be. I think somebody thought maybe it was tipped. So we got Twigs. Ooh, I think Twigs has new pants. Oh, nice shot by Try, and Amber's just gonna gobble that up. Another face-off. If any Blizzard folks want to send me the names I didn't know or got wrong, feel free. Mariah passes it back to Stein, who goes back to Mariah. Tries to go up boards, but nobody's really there. Ooh, oh. I think I kind of missed that play. It was a little bit of a breakdown. Had Zoba and Gee wide open in front of the net. Not much Amber could have done there. Oh. That's good. Oh, yeah, so I'll get you your thing back on Friday. All right, so Squall goes up 2-1 over Blizzard. We've got 5 minutes and 40 seconds. Gee pressing hard. Oh, man. Just, again, bodies everywhere. The ball somehow sneaks out, and number 24 has it. He's got 99 covered by a couple people. Man, just keeps going, but Try takes it off the boards and passes it around to Shelly. Shelly's got a lot of pressure on her. 99 takes it away, but then Shelly takes it away. It's flipped back around to Try. Try is just going to slow it down. Got the lead, so it doesn't really need to force anything. Try's got Zoba. Nice play going around the net one way and then passing it across to the other side. Sheila gets the ball out of the zone, tries to pass it over to Hugh, but Stein picks it off. And Twigs is just going to go for a run here. Can't quite control it. Simon's going to get the ball first. He's got a lot of pressure. Two blizzies on him. Nice pass over to, oh, beautiful wrister by Matt Stein. Man, everybody just still going everywhere. Simon still got the ball. Oh, beautiful play by Mariah. Twigs fakes the shot, runs middle, takes the shot. Megan deflects it aside. Sheila comes up with it. She's got 99 pressing her. Oh, tries to pass it back to Scotty, but it just slips off her broom funny. So 99 comes up with it. He passes it up to Twigs. Twigs, surprised he didn't just do his backhand shot right off the bat. Passes it back down to 99. Back up to Twigs. Fakes a shot. Ty pressing him all over. Oh, nice stick check. Oh, and then Twigs' ball just slips off of his stick. Back over to Sheila. Allison pressing. Now Scotty's got it. Nick calling for it. Sheila's got the ball. She flips it middle to Hugh. Hugh, swings and misses, but maintains control. But now Tebow comes up with it, passes it over to Twigs. Twigs thinks shot, but passes it to Tebow. Tebow goes back down to Twigs. Now Twigs does shoot it. I think that went off Nick. Ty with the ball. Twigs pressing, passes it around to Sheila. Sheila's going to run it out. She's just going to get it out of the zone. Tebow comes up with it, getting a lot of pressure from Nick. Scotty's going to be the first one there. Jake giving him a little bit of space. Pass over to Biz. Biz just shoots it in. Amber knocks that down. Jake and Scotty going after the ball together. Jake opts to slow it down a little bit. He's got Hannah cutting. He's got his brother up the boards. Oh, nice play by Biz to break that up. And now Scotty comes up with the ball, passes it wide over to Sheila. Is Sheila subbed off? I feel like I've been saying her name a lot. She's got a lot of energy. Now she subs off. Ellen comes on. Scotty with a nice pass over to Nick. Great D by Sam, but Nick comes up with it. It's just a real great board battle that we don't have a very good view of right here, but Ellen, 99, Sam, and Nick. Sam comes out with the ball. Nick's there. Hannah's got the ball. She passes it over to 99, but the pass is off, so Ellen's going to pick it up. She's going to run it low. Oh, what a pass from Ellen to Biz. Biz just puts it in the back of the net. So Squall's going to go up 3-1 over Blizzard. We got a minute and a half left in the game. So Blizzard's really got to make something happen. Looks like they're thinking of calling a timeout. Maybe going to pull the goalie. Or maybe Amber's just pulling herself. She's like, you guys just got to do this. Amber played great. Is it the... Oh yeah, the Zoba scoop. Oh man, what a thing of beauty. But 99 also had that amazing shot that yeah. You got some people that can put the ball where it's not much the goalie can do. All right, so goalie is pulled. We've got Sarah last back. Taylor brings the ball in, hits it low. Jakes comes up with it. Shelly provided it. Whatever, yeah. A lot of pressure. Just Blizzard trying to get this ball out of here. Jake comes out of this huge mess with it, but then Zoba comes up with it. He just carries it out of the zone. Minute left. Try's got it. He's getting a lot of pressure. Megan plays the ball. She leaves it for Zoba. Zoba hits it over to Try. Try getting pressure from Twigs and 99. Try comes up with it. Oh, Jake has an opportunity. Twigs wrists it on. Megan's like, no, get that out of here. Hannah with a great shot. Taylor's just going to pass it around her. And she's just going to clear the zone. We got 37 seconds. Sarah kicks the ball up to Stein, passes it over to 99. He's going to carry it, I think that might be Jake Wolford. I just don't think of him as a Blizzard player. I didn't. Sorry that it took me an entire game to figure that out. 20 seconds. Simon flips it up and over. Kyle will be the first one there, and he's just going to run this out. He's got Allison on him. 7. And that's going to be our final. 3-1 Squall over Blizzard in this Corec A final for state. Thanks everybody for watching.